Hi there, welcome to the Tent News, where the truth comes to light and the stories everyone is talking about are brought straight to you. From shocking confessions and viral social media moments to real life mysteries and trending drama, this is the place where we uncover it all. Now, please watch this video first, and I will be back with the rest of my commentary.
Ake sibingelele amadoda ase-South Africa. Bafowethu, mina ngubani nguBishop Ngcobo we-MK Labour Desk, and i-MK Labour Desk iyafisa nje ukudlulisa lento esibonayo ukuthi iyashoda eSouth Africa. Asimbonge udadewethu uMazuma, uNgobese Zuma, uJacinta we-Mash and Mash. Asimbonge uPhakela Umthakathi, simbonge uNgizwe Mchunu. Cha bafowethu, siyacela ke thina njengabantu abadila nomzila wabasebenzi. Umzila wabasebenzi bafowethu usenomsebenzi omningi ekufanele wenziwe, and siwubonela umsebenzi eniwenzile bafowethu. Nikhipha abantu bokufika eSouth Africa. Ngeke sikungakushayela izandla lokho, kufanele sikushayele izandla lokho. Sibonile amabhasi ephuma, zibalwa iy'tats, kubalwa ama-countries ngama-countries aphumayo ezweni lethu. Let's upload that comrade. Singagcini ngokugxekana sodwa kungekho la esike savela khona njengabantu abancomayo eSouth Africa. Obese ngidlula ngithi bafowethu, in the workplace abaqashi they decided ukuthi bafihle ama-foreigners in their factories, in their homes, abanye bathungele ema-garage. We know that, and sesifikile emadlebeni ethu. Izolo we had a big march eSphingo yabasebenzi, ngoba bafowethu bonke labafowethu engibabalayo nama-teams abasebenza nawo badila kakhulu nento yokukhipha ama-foreigners eSouth Africa, but thina sidila nento direct yasemafemini yasemsebenzini. Ngingakho ngithi angiyicacise leyo, njengoba nje from the 30th up until now sesifaka abantu aba-close to 5,000 people ngenxa ukuthi abantu bokuhamba bahambile. So siyakubonga lokho, it's a relief ngoba besibafaka abantu kodwa sibafaka with the less number. So now ke siyanicela ke bafowethu, musani ukulwa na into esiyicelayo, kusho indoda endala ekade yawuqala lo msebenzi. Noma abanye badecide ukuyithuka, abanye badecide ukuthi baphume la sebene-experience engeyona le esidingayo, kodwa kade sabakhona futhi siyaqhubeka futhi sisazoqhubeka. It doesn't matter ukuthi umuntu uthukwa kangakanani, asicabangeli thina esithukwayo. So nani bafowethu, musani ukucabangela imizwa yenu ukuthi khona wabona umengameli omunye wangambona, it's okay, sekwenzakele lokho. Kodwa ngesikhathi uPhakela Umthakathi benongizwe bephuma kumengameli, abavange bawumise i-Mash and Mash, baqhubeka ne-Mash and Mash kwangazathi akaze kwenzeke lutho. So bafowethu, asiku-uploade lokho bese sakhela phezu kwakho ukuthi bathini kokunye okurong, nani okurong. Asizele ukuzona izinto ey'wrong. Izwe mali unitile bafowethu, ngiyathanda ukusho ukuthi kukhona lento yokuthi kukhona amaXhosa, kukhona amaZulu. Ake sibridge those yabo lezo zinto nje ezi-tribalist, ake siyibridge lezo, ke senze i-unity in South Africa where we can stand up for our own. So lokho kwenzakele bafowethu, ngiyakubonga kakhulu mina kuPhakela Umthakathi, uNgizwe, uMangobese. Bafowethu, noma sekufika umoya wokuxabana, please stay put, nenzele thina eSouth Africa. Mina ngijoyinanga i-Mash and Mash, lokho is open. Angijoyinanga i-Mash and Mash ngoba yaba nabantu abanye abayijoyinayo abasithukayo nje kungenasidingo, njengoba namanje kusaqhubeka lento kamathukana engingazi ukuthi uyophela nini, noma ipolitiki ekhona kuthina abantu abamnyama ukuthi njalo uma senza into enhle kufanele kube khona oyedwa ozoqhamuka athuke omunye ukuze omunye abone ngathi lento ngempela yenzakele ingenzakele, nezwe lize likholwe lingenayo iproof ukuthi leyo nto yenzakele. Angikho lapho, ngila ekutheni bafowethu abaqashi bavalele ama-foreigners kuma-factories, abaqashi bavalele ama-foreigners emzini yabo, bathi lokhu kuzodlula lezi iy'ntuli zizoba settled down bese beyaqala babasebenzise. Sikhona-ke endimeni yabasebenzi, thina sibambe lelo qhaza nje endimeni yabasebenzi ukuthi ebasebenzini asenze sure ukuthi wonke umuntu owumsebenzi osebenza nomuntu wangaphandle undocumented, sicela athathe nansi hotline 061 ibesithi-ke 525 ibesithi 2949, ihotline yethu le. Sizoyizela, sizocela bonke abano-code 14. Next week Tuesday sizobe sisemabhanoyini, siphinde sibe la eBluff ngawo umhla uLwesibili ozayo, siphinde sibe la ka-Transnet. Bafowethu sithola ukuthi ama-foreigners still are driving ama-trucks. Ngeke sivume, njengoba sishilo, we cannot allow abantu bokufika la bengezile ukuzoqala amabhizinisi bezosebenza sikwazi thina ukusebenza. Those are not scarce skills. So lapha-ke siyabonga kakhulu Esiphingo, siyababonga amaphoyisa akhona, uMetro siyabonga, SAPS babunzama siyanibonga lapho kwa-SAPS indlela esibambisene ngayo nomphakathi wonke. So kusukela manje bafowethu we will make sure ukuthi abantu bakithi bona bangene emsebenzini. Lokho sizokusho sikupublishe ngoba ayikho into enye ezosiza ukuthi abantu bokufika bahambe ngaphandle ukuthi baphelelwe iphalishi eSouth Africa. So-ke ilokho-ke sithi-ke bafowethu-ke asihlanganeni sonke, asibeni imbumba bafowethu-ke, siyekeni ukulwa njengabantu abamnyama. Khona abantu esiba-avoidayo la njalo ukuthi mabebona ukuthi bashonelwa igama labo phansi bese bevusa izimpi ey'ngenasidingo. Siqhubeka nje thina sibheke la khona esi-achieve khona a-goal. Sizobakhipha, sibakhiphile abanye, izolo sithe siqeda imashi kwangena abantu emsebenzini ka-engine. So namanje sifaka abantu emsebenzini la bedingeka khona. Siyabonga kakhulu bafowethu. Ngiyacela-ke sibe united eSouth Africa. Abebeyinake indawo yokusebenza babuyele lapha ekusebenzeni bafowethu, sizokusebenza sonke together. Ke siyeke ukugxekana kungenasidingo. Siyabonga kakhulu South Africa, siyabonga isupport enisupporte ngayo kulento yabantu bokufika, yokuhamba kwabantu bokufika. Siyabonga, qhubekani, siqhubekani bafowethu, siyabonga.
The MK member is sending this message to Phakilam Mthakathi Ngizwe noJacinta to say, please stay put. Obviously, he is sending this message because of the chaos that has been happening after Phakilam Mthakathi went to meet with the president, and a lot of things has been said on social media. There are so many opinions, so many, like it's a lot. So many people are saying different things, right? Some are saying, okay, we see you, but what was the meeting for? And some are saying, no, it's not a big deal. So he's sending this message to our leaders to say, please stay put, do not be divided by what is happening, which at this point, we don't even know what is it? Like, guys, what is going on? Where are we standing? Where are we right now? But anyway, I just hope these much leaders come together and just discuss everything, and they do not divide, for they are standing and fighting for one thing. Yes, they're fighting one fight, right? So I just hope they do come together and explain, and Phakilam Mthakathi naye, he have to be open, like he have to open up what really went down, right? So that these others also can trust him. Yes, they can trust or okay, yeah, he went there to meet with the president, but it was not a big deal. This and this and this went down, and this and this and this happened. But anyway, he was just telling them to stay put, to not be divided by social media, by what is happening, because uPhakela Mthakathi going to meet with the president, it's nothing. It's really nothing. And for me, I feel like maybe they're okay because I saw on Jacinta's birthday, uPhakela Mthakathi did post there. In fact, he did post there, and Ungizo also wished her happy birthday on a video, which means they're okay.